Are you looking for a side hustle that can help you earn extra income while working from home? Are you interested in utilizing the power of AI and design tools to start your own online business? Look no further, because in this video, we will explore 4 of the easiest AI side hustles to start in 2023. These side hustles can be profitable and fun, and with the help of the ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can get started in no time. But before getting into the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more valuable content. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive into these exciting opportunities to make money from home. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. 1. First on our list is writing legal contracts. Legal contracts are agreements between 2 or more parties that establish their obligations and rights. For instance, an employment agreement is a legal contract between an employer and an employee that outlines the terms and conditions of their employment. Now, with the help of ChatGPT, you can create legal contracts quickly and easily. This AI-powered tool generates standard legal contracts, such as employment agreements, service contracts, and non-disclosure agreements. So, if you're an attorney or have an experience in contract law, you can utilize ChatGPT to create legal contracts that you can sell on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance websites. With each sale, you earn money while providing an essential service to those in need of legal documentation. 2. Next up is writing travel guides using ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, an AI-powered tool, you can easily create engaging and informative travel guides that cater to the needs of your potential readers. Whether it's a detailed guide to the romantic city of Paris or a quick travel guide to the exotic beaches of Bali, ChatGPT can generate a comprehensive travel guide that includes information about the best places to stay, eat, and visit. All you have to do is provide ChatGPT with some basic information about the destination, and the tool will do the rest. Once you have your travel guide ready, you can offer your services on various platforms like Amazon, Kindle, or even sell them on your own website to earn some extra income while sharing your love for travel with the world. 3. The third side hustle on our list is thumbnail designing. Did you know that thumbnails are one of the most important elements of a successful YouTube video? They are the first thing viewers see before deciding to click and watch your content. That's why having a captivating and visually appealing thumbnail is crucial to get more views and engagement on your channel. But worry not. With Midjourney, an AI-powered design tool, you can create stunning thumbnails for your videos, social media posts, and more without any graphic design skills. Midjourney offers a range of customizable templates that you can personalize to match your brand, add your own text and images, create eye-catching design in just a few clicks. Once you have created your designs, you can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Upwork. 4. Last but not the least, we have selling stickers using ChatGPT and Midjourney. With ChatGPT, you can generate unique and creative ideas for stickers that can be sold online. Simply input some keywords related to the theme or topic you want to create stickers for, and ChatGPT will provide you with several ideas to choose from. Once you have your ideas, you can use Midjourney to bring them to life. Midjourney offers various templates and designs that can be customized to create your own unique stickers. You can personalize the stickers with your own text, images, and designs, and create a wide range of stickers for different occasions or purposes. After creating your stickers, you can sell them on various online platforms, such as Etsy, Redbubble, or Amazon, to name a few. These platforms allow you to set up your own online shop and sell your stickers directly to customers. Starting an AI side hustle is an exciting and lucrative opportunity for anyone who wants to work from home and earn some extra cash. Whether you are a travel enthusiast, legal professional, or design enthusiast, there's an AI-powered side hustle for everyone. Through the power of ChatGPT and Midjourney, you can easily create legal contracts, travel guides, thumbnails, and stickers to sell on various platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, Amazon Kindle, and more. These tools make it possible for anyone, regardless of the experience or technical knowledge, to create high-quality products that can generate passive income. By leveraging the power of AI, you can take advantage of cutting-edge technology, create products that are unique, informative, and visually appealing. Plus, you have the freedom to work on your own schedule and from the comfort of your own home. So, why not take the leap? Start your own AI side hustle today. With the resources and platforms available, the possibilities are endless. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching.